Among all the RTX 5060 Ti models currently available, the ASUS TUF Gaming OC stands out as one of the most premium options in both design and performance. While FPS performance is nearly identical across all the different 5060 Ti cards, the real difference shows up in cooling, noise levels, and build quality, where the TUF manages to come out as the better choice for most users. With this card, you get a thicker heatsink, slightly more aggressive fin density, and a cooling layout that allows the card to run a few degrees cooler under sustained loads. Moving into the card itself, the build quality on the TUF is excellent, featuring a metal backplate and sturdy shroud that make it feel every bit like a high-end GPU. Plus, the dark gray and silver design also gives it a bold industrial look that stands out nicely inside a build. You also get thoughtful extras like a GPU holder, which helps keep things level over long-term use, dual BIOS switch, subtle RGB, and the newer 12-volt 2x6 power connector to ensure compatibility with modern PSUs. Among all the RTX 5060 Ti models, the TUF not only has a slight edge in frame rates, but also maintains the best balance of temperature and noise. Under load, it typically stays under 60 degrees Celsius in performance mode, with surprisingly low fan speeds. Switching to the silent BIOS makes it near inaudible while still keeping temperatures under control. This is something competitors like the Gigabyte Gaming OC and Zotac AMP tend to lag behind. And with the Zotac, the slimmer heatsink design doesn't really offer the same thermal headroom to maintain such temperatures. The dense fin stack and triple Axial-Tech fans help the TUF graphics card maintain stable airflow, and the factory overclock provides a small but appreciated bump in real-world gaming. As for gaming experience, you can expect consistently smooth 1080p performance and comfortable 1440p gameplay in most titles, with excellent thermal stability throughout. That being said, it is a fairly large card at around 30 centimeters and roughly 3 slots thick, making it one of the largest cards in this lineup, so case compatibility might be something to keep in mind. However, the larger footprint isn't wasted as it translates directly into better thermals and quieter operation. It does come at a higher price, but that extra cost gets you a GPU that doesn't cut corners and will easily stick around for years to come. Plus, for anyone who wants something that is properly quiet, there is no better recommendation than the ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 5060 Ti. To sum up, what I like is the excellent build quality, the near-silent acoustics, and the strong thermals. On the downside, it's quite bulky and may not fit smaller cases.